how to print documents using Mobility Print. The first thing you want to do is open Mobility Print. So you'd go to the bottom of the page and scroll up so that you'll see all these options. You can just search Mobility Print right here and it'll show up. Just open the app. When you open it, it should show you are ready to print, and it should show all this. Just go to whatever you want to print. Click the print button, and then go to see more. And sometimes it doesn't work. Just try it again. And all these printers for Mobility Print show up. You just choose whichever one you want to print. You click print. And then you use your username and password and click print.